bitch! Another FFW jump scare.
Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, south central Beaver County in western Pennsylvania until 10:30 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Central Park, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Moon Township, Franklin Park, Taylor Township, Plum, West Midland, Northside Pittsburgh, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, Hampton Township, Scott Township, Wilkinsburg, Whitehall, and Robinson Township.
Oh, you're bad.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur